My name is Daniel de Carvalho. I'm a senior scientist at Princess Margaret Cancer Center and professor at the University of Toronto. My work is work on DNA methylation or cancer epigenetics. It's based on the last 2.5 decades that we have been understanding DNA methylation changes in cancer. The Gairdner Award is for our discoveries on how DNA methylation changes in cancer can induce transposable elements. Changes in DNA methylation can activate transposable elements such as endogenous retrovirus and other selfish DNA elements. Once those are activated, they can be recognized by the immune system as a viral infection. So we call this viral mimicry. So it's the concept that we can activate transposable elements in cancer cells, make them look like a virus-infected cell, and take advantage of these millions of years of evolution to identify viral infection and use this as an anti-tumour immunity. In addition to that, we have been identifying that this global change in methylation, which happens across all cancer patients, across all cancer types, provide a very rich source of biomarkers. They look different if they come from a normal cell versus if they come from a cancer cell. And then using these, we can use data science to identify if it's a cancer cell, a lung cancer versus a breast cancer. And if a breast cancer, even subgroups within the breast cancer. So this opens up possibilities of using methylation or cancer epigenetics for early cancer detection. This has the potential to have a major impact in cancer survival. So the Gairdner Awards are among the most prestigious awards in the world. In the beginning, when we published this, was not widely accepted by the scientific community. Similar to use DNA methylation for diagnostic, everyone was using genetic information, so trying to come and say that epigenetic information is perhaps more informative for diagnostic was not widely accepted. But now the Gairdner Award is a consolidation. This is external validation that these ideas have potential impact, and some of those are already having impact. In general, for me, science is the reward on itself, but then receiving this Gairdner is it's this validation, this external validation that the scientific community agree with that and think there's a huge potential in the future.